Hey y'all, I know it's been quite a long time since I made a video, and this one's going to be on the short side. I've had a number of setbacks with my back going out, not once but twice. First time was I really wasn't able to do any construction for about 10 or 11 days. And then I had another setback here, I think it was Friday. And for about, I'm not fully recovered even right now, even though I've been working the last 2 days somewhat. But yeah, I pulled out my back on my left side, and that was for about 11 or 12 days. I don't even know if I pulled it out. I just wasn't feeling well, and then my back went out. So I really didn't. It wasn't obvious that I did anything to cause it to get pulled out. But this last time, I was working on this welder with my friend Randy. I bought a welder, and he helped me dial the machine. He helped me dial it all in and set it all up with the little dolly there. So we were working on the dolly, welding that shelf that the welder sits on, and installing that. And anyhow, when I was sliding the tank into that sleeve, I was gripping it. The only way I could really grip it was right at that very front nozzle. And then I realized that the gas connection there was going to hit the welder, so I twisted it. When I twisted that so it wouldn't come down on top of it, my right side back sciatic popped, and I went down on my knees. And anyhow, it was painful, let's just say. And Saturday, Sunday, Monday, today's Tuesday, probably about 75%, 80% recovered. But I have been doing some light duty work over the last couple of days. But with all the setbacks with my back and other projects that I've been doing around here, down there, and getting ready to build that shed, and helping some friends out, and helping out at the church some. I've been set back, which is no surprise. Anyhow, hence the reason this is not 100% complete. But there's one more door. I'm going to build that this morning. Just got to get all my tools out of it. So I got Frankie over here. He's cleaning out this tub. And then we're going to take all those tools and put them in it and slide it under here for now. But we put all these posts in. We cut all the trees down. Or cut the trees that we needed, I should say, for the posts. And they go 3 feet down into the ground. And some of these posts stick up 10, 11 feet. This one over here, actually, that tallest one there, I had to stand there with the tractor. That post got to weigh 500-600 pounds. I had a friend joking with me on Facebook because I posted a picture. And he says, well, that should take care of the grizzly bear problem you have. I don't have a grizzly bear problem. He was teasing. It is quite heavy duty, I guess. You can see all these posts. There's actually going to be a frame on top where I'm going to put wire across the top. And then I have some rubber roofing. And I'm going to use that to cover as much of it as I can, probably all of it, but as much as I can, so that no snow comes down in there in the wintertime. In the spring, I'll probably take it off, and it'll just be the wire. But we're supposed to get a bad winter, they say. In any event, I got that last door panel. I've got chickens all in here right now, just a few, one in each stall, because, until these runs are built, I don't want to be locking a bunch of chickens in there. Let's see. She's laying right there in front of the water. These two right here had gotten injured, and the other hens were going to kill them. how chickens act sometimes, and it was definitely acting like brats. And this one here I made for Jerry, who's up in the barn, and Mr. Black jumped in there, and I don't know if you can hear him. He's up there in the nesting boxes, and he's all excited. So I don't have the heart to take him out of there. He is going to be in one of these, you know, that one or whichever. But I really wanted to get the rooster that's in the barn down here first, but I guess I'll have to build this one first. It'll probably take me about 2-3 hours, and I'll be able to move him down. So it's coming along. It's just, right, Frank?
Yep.
It's just with the setbacks because of my back, and the setbacks because of other things we've been doing. We cleared some land over that way to harvest some of these posts. Not to mention I wanted to clear some anyhow, so to make this shop, it's going to be my shop, the shop yard essentially, where all the whatever you know I have when it's outside, there'll be space to put stuff. And then my shop's going to sit. I don't know if you can see the gravel pad there with the post sticking up. And we've been splitting firewood. It's been a lot of different things happening around here at the same time. But I just wanted to update y'all because it's been a while. And you might have been wondering what was going on. Well, that's what's going on. Just still at it. Trying to get it all done. By the time it's done, I won't have any tools. And when I say tools, I'm talking about lawnmowers, four-wheelers or whatever, tractors, stuff like that. There won't be anything like that, yard tools, beyond this fence. That will be my tool shop where I have all my tools, big and small. So all this stuff that's here right now, none of the stuff will be here. There won't be any stuff lingering around the yard. Everything beyond this point is going to be yard. That's it. And chicken coop. Anyhow, hope everybody's doing well. And I will talk to you in the comments. Have a good one.